wants to start at the very top and make your way washing down. So very T-top, making your way down. Who wants to do that? 2, cabin. So carpets, inside glass, inside metals, tables, vacuum, cup holders, steering wheel, curtains, everything. Chris, as Nate's washing down, you can start soaping the middle, and then the last thing that we'll all do together is the hull. All that dirt is going to come down, it's going to run down throughout the whole boat. The last thing that we'll do is just scrub, wash, and dry.